Welcome back to the channel. This is Nicholas from Moralis, and this is just a quick update on a breaking change that was recently introduced to the Moralis database. And the new update, the breaking change, is that in the database, now the ERC721 tokens are no longer listed in the ETH token balance. Previously, it was listed here in the ETH token balance. You can see here, this is the remaining rows before the migration. So here we have a lot of ERC721 rows here representing tokens. If you update to version 162 and above, those existing ones will be stuck here, and all new ones will be created in the NFT token owners table, like this. And so if you've been following along with this series where we are cloning Rarible, you need to make some adjustments in order for this new change to work with the tutorial series. And luckily, the changes are very few. So what you need to do first of all is that depending on how far you've reached in the tutorial series, first of all, any reference to the ETH token balance table in this series, you can just treat that as NFT token owners. So whenever we are discussing the ETH token balance, for example, if we go to our cloud functions, depending on how far you've reached, you see here we have a query querying the ETH token balance. Now we can replace this with NFT token owners. That's it. And you copy this to all places in our cloud functions that previously referenced the ETH token balance. And there is only two places in the cloud functions. So this one and this one. That's it. And then you just press save file, and then you're done with the migration or the fix for the cloud functions. What you need to do also is to, depending on how far you've reached, if you have your items for sale and sold items or sold items table, what you need to do is that you need to go to each of these, and you press edit and delete all rows. You type the name of the table. So in this case, it's sold items, like this. So you remove all the rows, and then you remove the whole class. So you do this again, sold items. And you do the same for items for sale. So delete all rows, items for sale, and then you delete the class, items for sale, like this. And make sure that you've made the changes in the cloud functions first. And then after that's done, you just restart the server, you update it, and then moving onward, you should be good to go. All your previously minted NFTs will not appear in the application though, because they no longer have references to the correct items. But this is the only step that you need to take in order to fix this breaking change and moving on with this series. So hope it makes sense, and if you have any questions, please ask for help.